We're about to do some midpoint formula. Hopefully y'all remember this in class. If you don't remember this, then that's why you're watching this video, right? Midpoint formula. Everything that we do in geometry is simple, okay? What do you think the midpoint formula is? Well, let's see. It must be a formula to find the midpoint. Yeah, I think that's what it is. So, let's investigate this. Alright, so what they'll do sometimes is they'll give you 2 points. 2 points that make a segment. Who knows where they are? Let's just call these points, what do we want to call them? X1 and Y1? What about this one? X2 and Y2. Cool. And of course, if you connect 2 points, that's a line segment. Voila. And this formula that we're going to use is to find the mid, that's about here, point. So we want to find a point that's in the middle. We don't know what the coordinates are, but we want to find them. So, let's figure out how we can find them. I think what I would do first is try to find the x-coordinate. You'll know the x-coordinate has to be somewhere between these two. Probably right between them, in the very middle. The best way to find that is to find the average of 2 points. Hopefully, you remember from baby school when you tried to find the average of 2 points. The average is when you take 2 things, add them together, and divide how many there are. There's 2, 1, 2. So we take these 2 things, we say x1 plus x2, and we divide by 2. Simple as pie. That will give us the x-coordinate. Woohoo! But that kind of looks like a cross. Maybe I should. The x-coordinate. And I'm going to ask you a question that you might think is very elementary. But how do you think you find the y? Okay, I know you know. We find the average of these 2. How do you find the average? You add them up. You divide by how many there are. So there's the y-coordinate. Oh, you're so smart. You're my scholar. Good job, good job. Okay, so this is called the midpoint formula. That gives you the point, okay? And we know that points are in xy form. So the x comes from here, and the y comes from here. So I know a lot of y'all do not like algebra, you don't like letters and stuff, so let's put some numbers to it and work it out. So, let's say I give you the point, let's call this point A, because that's Ariel. And let's call this one Taylor. Oh my god, that's me! Okay, so we're going to find the midpoint between A and T. So let's say A is something like 1, 1. Let's say T is 3, 7. Cool? So if they give you A, T, and they want you to find, let's say, J. Oh my god, that's my middle name. Okay, so let's find J. In order to find J, we're going to do a little thing that I like to call plug and chug. Okay? So first we're going to plug, and then we're going to chug. So let's plug. What's x1? 1. x2? 1. All divided by 2. Oh, wait! Stop the press! x2 is not 1. x2 is 3. Good catch. Good catch. Alright, how about the y's? y1 is 1. y2 is 7. Divided by 2. Now, we done plugged. What you think we're going to do? Chug. Okay, let's go. 1 plus 3 is 4. Divided by 2. 1 plus 7 is 8. Divided by 2. Keep chugging. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 8 divided by 2 is 4. Alright, we done plugged and chugged and we are at our destination. Mission accomplished. The midpoint between A and T is 2, 4. That's their precise location. I hope that helped you out. I hope that helped you out. If it didn't, you can always stop, rewind, play again.